Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Madhumita and you know me as MedicoMadhu. A lot of women are in the menstrual age group. So it is very important to maintain the menstrual hygiene. So today we are going to discuss about what are the different options that are available and how are we going to have a safe menstrual cycle. So what are the different options available? The age-old menstrual cloth. These days we have sanitized reusable menstrual cloths. This can be reused. It depends on how good you are maintaining it. Well, preferably it can be worn inside your panties, or if you're someone who is comfortable just draping it around you without a panty, it is also fine. So how frequently should you change your menstrual cloth? You can use it for as long as 8 hours. If you have very scanty bleed, then it can go up to 12 hours as well. You will have to wash it with good detergent and then you will have to sun dry it. It can be reused for as long as 12 months. There is 1 to 2 years also you can use depending on the amount of bleeding, depending on the sanitary facility that is available to you. The next option is menstrual panties. So these again are almost similar to that of a menstrual cloth, but this is more comfortable for adolescent girls. So they can do their physical activities without any issues at all while wearing it. They don't have to worry too much about the leakage problem. So this can be changed as frequently as 6 to 8 hours, as this involves the young girls. And you all know that it is reusable. So you just have to wash it the same way as the cloth with detergent and always sun dry any of your sanitary products. This helps in preventing the bacterial growth. The menstrual panties can be used as long as 2 years, nothing more than that. Apart from this, we know about the swimwears. So a lot of people have asked me, ma'am, I am having my menstrual cycle, can I swim? Well, in general, whether you're using a tampon or you're using a menstrual cup, it is not contraindicated. But to make it more comfortable and more sanitary, it has been recently or for some time introduced what is called as a periods swimwear. So this is almost similar to your menstrual panty. So this will help in absorbing without any sanitary damage, or let's say that there'll not be any loophole related to your sanitation. You don't have to worry about leakage. You don't have to worry about contaminating the swimming pool or the contaminants in the swimming pool affecting you. If you're someone who is a swimmer and practicing for a long time and do not want to let go of it, you can definitely wear this. And this lifespan is about 2 to 3 years. Apart from this, these are the natural materials that are available. What are the ones that we can use externally apart from it? Well, we have something called as a sanitary pad. Again, in sanitary pad, we have the synthetic ones, we have the cloth-based ones or the natural ones as well. And all these has to be, when I'm talking about disposing, I'm talking about a disposable pad only. Every 8 hours once is the maximum that you can actually use it for, and you will have to discard it. Minimum preferred would be at least 6 hours once. You will have to change your menstrual pad. These disposable pads have to be covered properly before discarding so that it doesn't infect others. If you're someone who is noticing a rash or something, then definitely go for the cloth variant or a natural variant when you're using a menstrual pad. There is something called as non-disposable or reusable menstrual pads. So again, what do we do with these? Similar to that of a menstrual cloth or a menstrual panty, we use it, then again we sanitize it, we dry it, and then we reuse it. So here also you can use it. See, we say that it can be used as long as 12 hours, but for the sanitary purpose, it is better to use it not more than 8 hours. The reusable sanitary pad can again be used up to 12 months. After that, we will have to discard it. Coming to the other options that are available, there is something called as tampon, which can be inserted vaginally. It will absorb. So we don't have to worry about any leakage as it is snugly fit. Different sizes are available. So you will have to choose the right size for you. And it absorbs as much as your menstrual pad, if not slightly better than that. If you're someone who's noticing a lot of vaginal irritation, excoriation, dryness after using it even after 6 cycles, then I would suggest that you go for other options, not use tampons. That means you are at a higher risk to develop toxic shock syndrome, where it results, the small excoriation will cause a slight bacterial growth which would spread the infection in your body, resulting in a severe condition. So we do not want you to do that. We are basically looking for menstrual hygiene and menstrual health, not to worsen by using a tampon. But tampon in general, it's much safer. The current available ones do not cause any irritations. They are very good. If you're comfortable using it, definitely I would suggest that you use it on a regular basis. The other option that's available for you is called as a menstrual cup. This is placed in the vaginal region. It collects the menstrual blood. Since it is not touching directly, it is a safer option. It prevents the risk of infection. Both tampon and menstrual cup can be used for as long as 12 hours. Again, it depends on your flow. If you're someone who has heavy flow, then I would suggest that you change it every 6 to 8 hours once. So tampons have to be discarded completely after your use, whereas your menstrual cup has to be cleaned in the way that I mentioned previously for the other options. It has to be washed with detergent and then it has to be sun dried and then you can use it again. Normal soap water wash is enough. This just requires you to wipe it with a sanitized tissue and then sun dry for about 5-10 minutes and then again you can reuse it. It does not require like other forms. So again, we have silicone based ones and other options that are available which are friendly to your skin, so you don't have to worry about skin irritation with this. Similar to menstrual cup, we have yet another option called as menstrual disc, which is again placed in the vaginal region. This also can be used as long as 10 to 12 hours. Just like the cup, this will just be in this shape. That is the only difference. Both menstrual cup and menstrual disc has to be cleaned the same way, and both of them can be used as long as 10 years. So we have different options that are available based on our financial status, based on our physiological health and our requirement. We can use any of these options and have a safe menstrual cycle. I hope this video was useful. I will be meeting you with many more interesting videos. Follow me for more informative videos.